Welcome back to the vlog. I'm here, Crystal.
Hi.
Cleo.
Hi.
Devon. So we're on a tour, you know, I'm a tourist right now. Big up me. So we're kinda lost, not really, but the wrong part. Lord guys, I almost book off my tour. Imagine what?
I didn't make enough come after a roundabout.
I'll be a walk with that late. So
Yeah, the worst direction. Down. No, you want your Javana direct your auntie to come at Christian Garden.
really?
Because of course you can't. Never tell her say, we're
So-
in there.
When we reach the location, guys, we'll get back to you. Guys, the hair was done by Chin, but colored by me.
But tell her not the best.
So where's the line for guys? So, as you guys can see today, as you guys can see in the title, we're actually going to Line K. Everybody have vlog. Make sure you check out them channel also. Who start finding our vlog? You know, used to catch fish right over the center. Remember? We're late, like 10 minutes late. But so, guys, remember to, if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and give my video a thumbs up. Get me to 5K or 10K or more. So let's go on this adventure together. Woo. Oh, the price is not on this, you guys. Oh, that's what is someone for us to catch fish.
What is that?
Yeah. So guys, this is moi. This is my outfit for the day. My wig, bleached by me, installed by Chin. Check out our channel. Dress. My bag. I'm a slipper. So this is Crystal telling me, show them my outfit and so good. Show them my outfit. Look how nice.
Hi guys, so as you know me, it's your girl Rock with Cleo. You guys can check out my channel in her link below. Slim petite. Look at me. Bye guys.
Okay guys, I'm ready now. I'm Crystal SKP, so you can check out my channel and you'll see the link below. I would love for you to like and subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, post for them do.
So yes, yes, so check out my channel, alright? Crystal SKP. Yeah.
So guys, so you know of our unbalance. Yeah. So you guys, we're not quite ready as yet. So we're just staying here to fuel up the boat. Then we're on the water. So my nervous body. Good girl, nervous water. Cause good girl can't see. Yeah, so yeah. So we're still here waiting for Crystal. What is Crystal?
I have plans. I have to be somewhere. Well, I have to be on a meeting at 3:30 and another one at 6 o'clock. And it's almost midday. I mean,
Extra?
I work with time. I'm always an early person.
Unlike normal Jamaican persons, yeah, normally, you know, not on time. But she had just 6 or 6 on the bus. So, yeah, so it's how we are. We're finally going to go on the bus. There's already in. Oh, which direction to go?
From the sea castle.
Guys, we're standing on the boat. Come on. Clear. So guys, everybody have on their life jackets. So the boat's standing. Oh, breeze. That's remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. The water is so pretty. I'll show you guys it right now. But we're coming off the boat. If you go to the beach and you don't want the water. I'm not going to water. I think I'm Mr. President.
Not for Let's find the water and jump.
Chance. Oh, she takes like a G. So this is the island. Let me take off my slippers. We're acting like we're on a photo shoot. So I want to change. That's the change as well. So where's Crystal? So I'm gonna change and so then we'll come back, okay? So guys, this is my basket. How would you like it? Yeah, rate out of 10.
9.
Why?
Because the breast part needs to be bigger.
But otherwise?
It's alright. Terrible.
Maybe I tell like because I vlog well.
No, I tell like.
Guys, let me know how much I rate my swimsuit out of 10.
Top part, small for your titty. Because you can see the style now. The style is this supposed to show. And it not show. See? The view, guys. Pretty.
Sandwich. Where there? Oh, this is all. Check. Whoever make this, them quite a small like a baby, you know? Like when I go primary school or prep school or basic school. Yeah.
Thanks. I'm never going to come from the island. Them frozen, man.
But before I even go into water, I have to take a picture for my Instagram. How's the water? Woo! What a nice body. So, it is what it is. It is what it is. I want to know. I want to laugh while I was doing a joke. Hey, Javan?
That's top. So it's most of the step when I see water.
Like that. Can you see it's a photo shoot to the pan? I know I'm going to the water, I know. If you're saying that anybody don't take pictures like this, they're not a picture person. Alright? Yeah. Cleo, tell them your channel name.
Rock with Cleo.
Girl, woo, the water is so warm, guys. These it's deep, you know?
You want to see what me? I can't feel it.
Guys, if you these actually it's deep, but I like to saw.
She did that talk about when would that come up?
Wow.
What would that come up? Oh, the water not deep in there.
It's deep for sure.
And not tell her, say, go on. Oh, it's not deep.
I can't see?
Yeah.
But now to my ear.
Nah, good. Nah, look. Cracking.
Wow.
And well, quick it get deep, you know.
Yeah. This time I get naked, man. Guys, I love my picture. Then you guys definitely go to my Instagram. You know, tell me honestly, I can't go to the beach or river and down to my hair. I don't enjoy it, but really I don't want to eat at this year. But
does it look nice too?
that color, you know?
Yeah.
I did it. Oh my god, first of all, come here. I'm gonna come back again, but I can't miss out for going so early. So guys, so this is what we're just doing.
What's the one trip?
Woo! Crystal! Finally, you change. Finally.
Yeah. How did you feel on coming from? You know what I mean? They don't like.
What's up? I said to your life?
Real life.
But you never learn on me. I'm not sure.
Oh, what is that wagon?
Maiden.
Maiden? Oh. And this. There is somebody who can have in the hair like this. No. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. That's fast. And that's so much. I'm doing a vlog for Petagaye. If you guys don't know me, this is Crystal. My YouTube channel is Crystal SKP and also on all socials. Okay guys? You need to come out. Oh my gosh, you not come out. You gotta make it try come out now. So this Crystal SKP, you guys. Links are in the description box. No, don't put them in here. But that's something people man share text, she can show him off she wants. She can show him off she wants. I'm a people man. You hear me? I'm a people man. Sorry. The cost to come over here is how much? $2,500. $2,500 Jamaican dollars. Yes, yeah. You get it's open from between the hours that come here is like between 10 to 12. No? Yeah. The man asks what time you want. No, I mean for the departure for them to come here it's from 10 to 12. So you can tell them whenever time you're ready to go back. And what if all they get like they're interested in coming, what they have to go to they can use online or they can go on Line Pay, that's on their Instagram. That's on Instagram and you can send them a message. And we can also provide the contact number below, so I will share that with you, Petagaye, alright? Her name is Andrea. She is the one who we book with. Yes, so yeah. So I'm gonna have some little fun time now. So we're gonna put away the phone. Again, my picture them look good. What picture they look good as what? Yeah, look everybody picture look good. Yeah, look good. Yeah, look nice. Things look nice. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy. It's a bit short. So, but what I enjoy this thing. Our time soon expire. Yeah. So we talk to you guys later. Alright, bye. There's a ton of people that smell about one pepper shrimp. You see me more pepper there?